Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust Apple focus modes. It's a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. First, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the focus modes. To do this, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Here, you have the focus option. Just tap on the word focus. You will now see your focus modes. To turn on a focus, just tap on the one you want. Just like that, it will be turned on. And to turn it off, tap on it again and it will be turned off. Next, I'm going to show you how to schedule focus modes. So, go to Settings. Here, open Focus. Here, you have available focus modes. So, tap the focus mode you want to schedule. Next, scroll all the way down and tap Add Schedule. Next, tap Smart Activation and make sure it is turned on. Now tap Add Schedule and set the time, location, or app that triggers the focus mode. Also, you can customize focus notifications. Go to where your focus modes are, and here, tap a focus mode you want to customize. Here you have the option Allowed Notifications. Under Allowed Notifications, choose which people and apps can send notifications during that focus. If you go back to focus modes and tap on the Add icon, you will notice you can create a custom focus. That is how to adjust Apple focus modes. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.